One of the simplest methods to earn money from home is by employing a free Google technique, which I demonstrate in this video. What actions are necessary? We'll discover it in due time. You can make $5,180 using a free Google trick this way. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create this passive income stream using free software and a straightforward Google trick. All it takes is one click to activate the software. And guess what else? This has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, and you can get started without spending any money. Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'll teach you how to earn money online by watching YouTube videos. Let's now get going. So let's start with step 1, which is visiting news.google.com. The second step will direct you to Google News, a news aggregator site created by Google, where you can access the most recent news from all over the world. You can view all of these different categories here, including your country, what's occurring in the world, your local news, as well as business on the left-hand side, science, sports, entertainment, technology, and health. If you click on business over here, you can get the most recent business news from either your country or the entire world. The third step involves the distribution of fresh articles and news updates on predefined topics every couple of hours. In this case, the subject will be business. You can see that while the other ones were released on 14, 11, and so on, this one was posted an hour ago. Open it to discover how to use any of these articles to generate money online. Consider the following headline as an example. A flight to space with Jeff Bezos aboard Blue Origin's New Shepard, sold for $28 million. All we need to do right now is click on this specific story, which will direct us to this website. As you can see, I'll be going into great depth on how you can make money with this entire essay. Kindly copy this article in order to complete this stage. For the purposes of this video, I'm only going to copy and paste the first 2 sentences of this post for the purposes of showing how this actually functions and how you can monetize these articles on Google News. To move on to step 4, all you have to do is go to Quillbot.com. Quillbot.com, a free online tool, can effectively rewrite such articles for you. Because they are free, you can utilize them frequently to make money online. Copy and paste any content into this box and then click OK. Paraphrase to entirely rebuild the content. The best aspect is that there are no expenses involved. The rephrased article is on the left and is now distinct and ready for usage. With just one click, I can now copy this revised post and use it to generate income online. The same is true for all of the articles from other categories that are available in Google News. New ones are added there every few hours, giving the impression that there are thousands upon thousands of distinct articles available, each of which has the potential to bring in repeat business. The next 2 steps will discuss 2 additional methods you can make money from the articles that have been rephrased. The second can earn you thousands of dollars. In fact, it has earned many people around the world tens of thousands of dollars. The first won't make much money for you. Before we continue, only a small portion of the viewers of my videos actually subscribe. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing with notifications enabled. It's free and you can always change your mind afterwards, so that you can be among the first to apply any new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. I will let you know as soon as I come up with them. I naturally earn the most money as a result. Let's go back to the video now. At this time, using TextBroker.com is the simplest and most affordable option. TextBroker.com collaborates with a number of well-known businesses like Yoast, Staples, eBay, and others. This platform will compensate you for writing those articles. You won't need to write these articles yourself since, as I just showed, using a quick Google trick to make money online, you can have them created for you for free with the click of a mouse. Simply go to TextBroker.com and select I Write Content in this specific section. By clicking the link to the next page, you can read more about how writing articles for TextBroker can make you money. It costs nothing to sign up with TextBroker, and you can start writing articles right now to get money. Now that you've navigated to this page's payment section and clicked on more information, you can figure out how much money you'll be making. As you can see, you'll get $50 for 1,000 words. Additionally, Google News has literally hundreds of articles that are 1,000 words or longer. Therefore, the earnings increase as the article length increases. You will earn more money if your content is longer and better. Let's assume you earn up to $600 for writing 12,000 words. The nice part is that you can repeat the process. Just remember that this won't earn you as much money as the second method of earning money using free articles. To sign up for TextBroker, create an account for nothing and begin making money from those articles. Just click here and select Free Author Registration. The second way to make money off of those free articles is by utilizing the power of independent contractor websites like Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, TrueLancer.com, Guru.com, QuickandGigs.com, PeoplePerHour.com, Upwork.com, and so forth. You can use a lot more freelancing websites besides Fiverr, and by doing so, you'll be able to make a lot more money. As a result, you can earn 10 times as much money if you sell on 10 different freelance websites. If you only sell on one website, there's only one way to make money from those articles. As a result, the more frequently you do it, the more money you'll make. As a result, if you search for article writing on Fiverr.com, you'll find a list of everyone who makes money by writing simple articles. They, on the other hand, are taking the difficult route because they are doing it themselves. Thus, they must put in a lot more effort and time to write those articles. Customers dislike being kept waiting as well. After all, none of us enjoy waiting. And because you can deliver those articles almost instantly, you will be 10 steps ahead of all your competitors, earning more money than all of them. And you can see that it works because this person is offering their service for $35 and has 148 sales, resulting in a profit of $5,180. This person charges $40 and has over 400 sales. This person charges $60 and has 357 sales, and so on and so forth. All of these are proof that it works. These individuals are all earning tens of thousands of dollars by writing simple articles. And this is only on one freelancing website, Fiverr, which is extremely competitive. As a result, I strongly advise you once again to use the other freelancing websites as well. And as mentioned earlier in the video, there are numerous Fiverr alternatives. The more freelancing websites you use, the more you will be able to maximize your earnings. This method is extremely simple and completely free. The best part is that it works everywhere in the world. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.